This is our model number 255, touchscreen based remote controlled robotic vehicle for stores management. We have a handheld touchscreen based device. It's a handheld touchscreen based device where we have this kind of text which can be entered, and we have the robot which is to be operated from a distance with the remote, and when we operate this, what we can notice how it functions as per the requirement is concerned. Now when we say okay, we press the button, say forward, we go and press the button forward, you can see the robot now moves in the forward direction. We have deliberately kept it at a fixed place so as to see that the motors rotate in that direction, and when we say stop, it goes to the stop function. So it goes to the stop function, and when we say we go over to say a forward, a reverse, it goes to the reverse. You can see it goes to the reverse. Now the interesting part is we can stop it now. It stops. The arm can be raised up and down. Now supposing the arm is to be raised up, it goes up this way, and it can be stopped also, and it can come down by pressing the down button. It can come down. You can see the arm is coming down. Okay, we stop it, and briefly we will take it up now. Stop it. Now this is at the arm position.